after all? Are you looking for something cheap that you can afford?
Yes. Hello, my friend. What are you looking for in a soap?
Well, it has to be cheap, affordable, and that cleans my kids' clothes.
Well, then we got the perfect solution for your problem. And it is clean, clean, clean. Because it cleans in a 1, 2, 3. It is very cheap and you're gonna really love it. Forget about Ariel, forget about soda, forget about 1, 2, 3 and all that.
Oh, thank you. I'm gonna buy it.
$1.
Oh, the price is unbelievable.
Okay, we are here in one of our missions of clean, clean, clean. Come on, Bobby, follow me. Let's see what these people use.
Who the hell are you?
Hello, man. We are here to show you something that you're gonna love. What soap do you use? Huh? What kind of soap do you use?
Hi.
Tide? Hey, man. Man. What do you want? Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna show you my goddamn soap.
Okay.
Is this what you wanted to see?
Yeah.
Well, this is it.
Okay. She's
You?
really nice, isn't she? Okay.
Why is that camera in here? Get out! Get out!
She's with me. Okay. Can you show us how it works, please?
Yeah, sure. Come on in.
Okay. Come on, Bobby.
Let me look for a white shirt. You bloody TV people drive me crazy. I think it's done.
Okay, let's see how clean it is.
Clean enough, don't you think?
Are you sure that's clean enough, man?
Do you think it's not, or why do you ask?
Don't you see that big spot in there?
That's not a spot!
Yes.
Are you blind?
Okay, but I'm here to
Shut
show
up!
you
Shut up!
something.
What?
Watch this. It is clean, 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 and it's better than
I don't want to
Tide.
know what the hell that
It
is.
is better than Tide, man. Why don't you try it?
Says who? Says who?
Everybody.
Well, you can go.
Okay, man. No, really, you gotta try it, please.
I don't want to try any goddamn soap.
Okay,
I'm happy with Tide.
on,
Get out! Get out! I'll kill you! Get out! Stop it! Get out! I'll call the police.
Oh God, what's wrong with these crazy people? The other woman was nuts, wasn't she? Let's get in. Hi, woman. How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm fine too. We want to show you something. Can we get in?
Yes, you can. Did you want some chilaquiles?
Oh yeah, we would like that.
Okay.
What kind of soap do you use, woman?
I use all kind of soaps in the planet.
Really? Well,
Yeah.
that's cool, but we want to show you something. We want to show you clean, clean, clean. Can we?
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Oh my God. Look. What? Who's he?
Yeah?
It's Maria. My best
Yes. Hi, Maria. Well, you want to try this?
friend. Yeah, why not?
There it is. Why are you cleaning now?
Because I'm bored.
So?
I don't know. I love to clean all day long, all the days, all the years. Because Maria said that to me.
Okay. let's wait.
Look, Maria, you're on TV. Hey, hello.
Yeah, she is on TV.
Did you know that Maria inspires me?
Really?
She gave me strength, love, all that I need.
Oh, that's pretty nice. You're a religious
Yeah.
person, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's see how this is.
Oh my God, it's so clean.
Yeah, it's really white.
Maria, look at this.
She's surprised, I can see that. Well, do you like it?
Yeah, I want it.
Okay, then you will always buy clean, clean, clean. The expert in cleaning because it cleans in a 1, 2, 3. Clean.
Luxurious.
Excellent.
Affordable.
No.
Clean, clean, clean.
Essa un'anima mulesio anda mediante la pata nella guerra già la lleva nel terra entre cuatro mopilotes y un ratón de sacristán. La cucaracha ya no puede caminar porque no quiere, porque le falta marihuana que fumar. La cucaracha ya no puede porque le falta marihuana que fumar. La maldita cucaracha es un animal muy lesio, anda metiendo la pata en la guerra y el comercio. Ya murió la cucaracha, ya la llevan a enterrar entre cuatro mopilotes y un ratón de sacristán. La cucaracha ya no puede caminar porque no quiere.
She's here.
Hi, Maria.
She says hello to you.
Ya no puede caminar. Las dos patitas de atrás.